Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can stop recording your meeting in GoToMeeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply GoToMeeting, and when you're going to click start recording, it's the same way to stop recording.
Will now be recorded.
Now what you want to do is this like recording in progress. You're gonna see stop your recording, right? And you just click here and boom.
This conference is no longer being recorded.
And like depends, right, when you get a history of recordings. And voila. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.